Welcome to our channel. Today we how to view Kaiser Permanente medical records online, member guide step by step clearly. To view your Kaiser Permanente medical records online, start by visiting the official Kaiser Permanente website. Log into your account using your username and password if you already have an account. If you do not have an account, click on Create an account and follow the prompts to set up your login. After logging in, navigate to the My Health Manager section of the site. In the My Health Manager area, look for the Medical Records option. Click on Medical Records to access your health information. You may be asked to verify your identity through a security question or a verification code sent to your email or phone. Once verified, you'll be able to view your medical records, including lab results, immunizations, and visit summaries. Take time to review the information for accuracy and completeness. If you notice any discrepancies or have questions, contact Kaiser Permanente customer support for assistance. For mobile access, download the Kaiser Permanente app from your device's app store. Log into the app using your account credentials. Navigate to the Health tab within the app to find your medical records. You can manage and track your health information seamlessly through the app. Always remember to log out of your account when you have finished accessing your records, especially on shared devices. Regularly check your medical records for updates regarding your health and treatment progress. Stay informed about your healthcare by utilizing the online tools provided by Kaiser Permanente. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.